Hello everybody, today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on swapping in crypto. So right now we're on Pancakeswap. Pancakeswap is on the Binance smart chain. So Binance is one of these crypto layer 1 blockchains, and it's similar to Ethereum, it's similar to Avalanche, and it's also similar to Bitcoin itself. Layer 1 blockchains are like the mainstays of the actual blockchain. It's pretty much like the actual chain that a lot of other platforms like Pancakeswap and others are actually built on top of. What Pancakeswap is considered is a decentralized exchange. And on these decentralized exchanges, you can actually get a lot of coins that you're not typically able to get through centralized exchanges. Some of those may include crypto.com, some of those may include Voyager, but platforms like Pancakeswap are what are considered decentralized exchanges. So on Pancakeswap, we'll go ahead and try to get some of the coins that are lesser known and typically not listed on centralized exchanges. On these centralized exchanges, you can get hundreds of thousands of coins that are created by independent parties, some projects with lower total amounts of volume, and some of the newer projects that could 10x and make you a millionaire. But this is not financial advice, nor am I even saying that you can become a millionaire. I'm just saying if you want those low cap gems, here's where you can actually try to find some of them. First and foremost, it's telling me that I'm on the wrong network because we actually have to be on the Binance Smart Chain. So let's go ahead and switch on that. It looks like I'm on the Kronos mainnet right now. So let's go ahead and switch accounts. So we'll switch to this account. And then we'll go ahead and go to the Binance Smart Chain because that's the chain that Pancakeswap actually runs on. So let's go ahead and refresh, and we should be good to go. We come here to where it says trade, and then click on where it says swap. I'm gonna have a little bit of a BNB in my wallet balance. So there's a lot of coins that you can buy. Here, this is the token list right now. You can buy some of these lesser known coins, such as Toko Crypto, and also things like Pancake Bunny. On this one, I think I'll take the Cake token, which is the native token for Pancakeswap itself. If you look at the price, this is the price of Cake relative to BNB. So let's go ahead and swap a little bit of this for some of this Cake token. So all we have to do is hit swap. We'll hit confirm swap. And then now it will give us the opportunity to confirm the transaction. This will tell us how much the gas fees are approximately. And then this will also tell us the total amount that we'll spend plus the gas fees. What I'm using is called MetaMask. MetaMask is an actual decentralized wallet that allows you to make these exchanges. And you need a wallet like MetaMask to be able to make these exchanges. So let's hit confirm. Transactions submitted, and you'll see what is a little pop-up come up on the right-hand side of your screen, and this will be MetaMask confirming that the transaction has been completed. So if you want to see it in your wallet, they have this cool nifty feature on Pancakeswap that says add cake to MetaMask. This will actually add the token to your MetaMask so that you can see the balance of the token in your actual MetaMask account. So let's go ahead and click that, add token. And right now you can already see from the preview that it'll show our current balance of the cake token. So if I hit add token, we close out of this, click on this MetaMask icon, and let's go ahead and hit on where it says assets, scroll down. There we go. There's our cake token. So I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to perform a swap. And Pancakeswap is one of many swaps across the crypto ecosystem, but Pancakeswap is specifically on the Binance Smart Chain. Take care.